Hi, my name is Alana Chernecki, and today I will be sharing with you 5 easy, artful ways to practice sight words. Now, I tell children that sight words are like the sticky words that glue our stories together. On their own, they don't really mean much, but we need to learn and master our sight words so that we can read more challenging, advanced books later on. The strategies in this video are perfect for your literacy centers. Add a glob of colorful paint to a Ziploc bag and tape it to a bright surface or light table. Add dollar store wooden letters to a tray of rice, sand, or other sensory material and invite your child to pull out each letter to build their sight words using tweezers. Working with Play-Doh strengthens children's fine motor skills. Have them create Play-Doh snakes, noticing the lines and curves of each of the letters in their sight words. Disappearing letters is a magical, mess-free way to practice sight words. All you need is water and a paintbrush and a few pieces of colorful construction. And finally, all children's favorite, good old-fashioned quill and ink printing. All you need is liquid food coloring or liquid watercolor and a good old-fashioned feather. I hope you found inspiration in these artful strategies to practice sight words.